afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How was your day and how have you been? Today, I want to teach us how to use Google Spreadsheet to perform a student attendance checker or tracker. We're going to use a checkbox for this. How do we do it? Let's get right into it. Firstly, let's do this and let's write the attendance performance percentage here. Okay, select the entire box here. Let's put in a checkbox. Click on Insert and click on Checkbox. So we have this. Next, we want to calculate how many times each of the students attended class in a week. We want to sum the attendance to 100%, meaning each day of the week is 20%. Okay, so let's get right into it. We're going to use the COUNTIF and the COUNTA function. So equals to COUNTIF and the range we're using from Monday to Friday. Our criterion is going to be true. So we're using true. And let's close our brackets. We don't want to use any further criterion. We are going to divide this with counter. And we are going to select from Monday to Friday again. Close our bracket and enter. So we have this. As you can see, autofill has already suggested, so we'll just accept. But let's do this. Let's convert this to percentage. And we don't want any decimal. So we can just do this. Let's just drag this down. Okay, as you can see, Ojime Mary, of course, I'm always present, attended class from Monday to Friday, so she have 100%. Amaka Igwe attended just Tuesday and Thursday, so she has 40%. Alex Uche attended for 2 days, he has 40%. Jabari Kings attended for 3 days, he has 60%. Chinedu Idowu attended just Monday, he has 20%. Charity Gabriel attended twice, 40%. Shegu Ogun attended once, 20%. And Taiwo Emeka attended 2 times at 40%. I hope you got value from watching this. If you want me to create this on Excel using the developer tab, like, subscribe, and comment in the comment box. Have a nice day and see you in my next video. Bye.